Now what are you working on?
Replacing clutches.
Oh my God, look at how dirty that is. That was
It's
underneath.
8 years of not being cleaned.
And how long did it take you to take that off?
Too long. Go show them the other
Right,
side.
that. This nuts are down in there, but we can't reach it because it's behind this wall. So we have to get it in the bedroom.
It's always in the bedroom.
Oh God. And this is the bedroom, and we had to take down the ceiling. So this outer one has these little catches. That was easy to take down. This back one, they decided to glue. And we can barely reach to get back in there is where the nuts are. Pull that down. Left.
Replacing these.
Wait, so what do you have? What's happening here on the clutch? What are you trying to do?
Replacing the clutches. See how they're worn?
Oh yeah, they weren't holding the
Hold
line.
the ropes. That's what they're supposed to look like.
Oh, I see. So this one's a good one. And this is the one with the line completely all chewed up. Wish there was an easy way. And you're assembling it now?
Yeah.
Putting it back together?
I hope so. That little force won't fix. Shoot, that's not good.
Something wrong?
Yep, got missing.
Oh shoot, we missing some parts.
I got an extra part bushing.
Those go right in there, no?
No, it goes right here on the end. Right there.
Ah.
No, these go here. And then this one goes here. And then this one goes here.
Oh no. Look, wait. See if people can figure out the problem with this.
And then go show them the real one.
So that they fold like that.